Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering what you need: the split screen mod, a mod loader if required, and a backup of your NFS Most Wanted save and game folder. Once downloaded, extract mod files and verify version compatibility with your game build so you avoid crashes. Make sure your GPU drivers are current and that the game runs cleanly in windowed or borderless mode. Then, place the mod files into the game directory as instructed. This initializes the split-screen framework and prevents later file conflicts. Once done with installation, open the mod configuration and set how you want the screens split, horizontal or vertical, and choose each viewport resolution to match your monitor. You'll assign controller ID or keyboard mappings for player 1 and player 2 so inputs don't collide. Make incremental adjustments to the HUD scale and camera offsets to prevent UI overlap. Small changes matter because field of view and steering sensitivity differ per viewport. Save the config and relaunch the game. You now start the game and select split screen, confirm both viewports render and that each controller controls its player. Test a short race to check visual sync, audio routing, and frame rate. If performance drops, reduce texture or shadow quality and lower per-view resolution to regain smooth play. If something goes wrong, restore your backup and roll back the last config change, then reapply changes one at a time to isolate the problem. This stepwise approach finds the precise fix without redoing everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.